the new Jaguar F-Type. It looks alive and it feels alive. New supercharged engines give the F-Type its burning sense of urgency. And the sense of urgency can be increased at will on the F-Type S model with dynamic launch mode. It gives you maximum acceleration from rest through first, second and third gears. And from there on, every gear change is faster and slicker thanks to the ZF 8HP quick shift gearbox. To maximize performance, 8 closely spaced gears and a sophisticated adaptive shift strategy keep the engine within its most effective speed range for longer. And that sensation of performance comes from what lies at the heart of every F-Type. Supercharged engines provide instant, seamless power and torque at any speed. Combined with the F-Type's lightweight aluminium architecture, they deliver outstanding power-to-weight and torque-to-weight ratios. The F-Type also sounds as fast as it feels. It's the first Jaguar with an optional switchable active sports exhaust system, so you can enjoy a richer, even more explosive exhaust note. The new Jaguar F-Type.